Hi, I'm Lola. Welcome to my doodle room where I bounce around my abstract ideas and creative thoughts. And it's the perfect place to talk about How Do You Doodle, a drawing game that sparks imagination and critical thinking. Let's clear the room and see the basics of how to play. The goal of How Do You Doodle is to score the most total points for 9 rounds with correctly guessed doodles. I'll be the host and show you how one round is played with 3 players. First, I'll reveal a topic card. Then everyone picks a black number token. The token number indicates which doodle to draw, so you'll keep this a secret. As the host, I'll flip the 30-second timer and we all doodle our word. When time is up, players use their color tokens to guess who drew what and we score points. Easy, right? But how do you draw the difference between a baby, an infant, and a newborn? That's where you may have to use abstract ideas to interpret the word effectively. Let's see how creative our players were. As the host, we'll score my doodle first. I had number 1, so I doodled baby. Maxwell incorrectly guessed infant for -1 point. Tilly incorrectly guessed newborn for -1 point. And I scored -2 points since nobody guessed my doodle correctly. Now we'll score Maxwell's doodle. He had number 3, newborn. His hospital drawing was good and it helped me score +1 point. Tilly incorrectly guessed baby for -1 point. And Maxwell scored +1 for my correct guess. Let's look at Tilly's doodle. She had number 2, infant. Maxwell and I both get +1 since we guessed infant correctly. Now that's abstract thinking. A fan plus ant plus going in. Well done, Tilly. Tilly scored +1 for every player who guessed her doodle correctly, for a total of +2. You'll have lots of fun talking about your creative doodles after everyone scores their points, and that's how you score one round. These handy scoring guides will help you keep track of tallying points. The game includes one for each player. One game plays for 9 rounds, and the player with the highest total for all the rounds is the dandiest doodler. And it's that easy. How Do You Doodle isn't just for artists. It's a game of wit and creative thinking. So have fun with your doodles. You never know where your imagination will take you.
Because games matter.